Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video I'm going to be showing how to make perfect aloe vera oil. Stay tuned. So first, after cutting my aloe vera stem, I'm going to be rinsing it. After rinsing, I'm going to be cutting the spikes off and also the ends of the aloe vera gel too. After cutting the ends and the spikes, be cutting the stem into smaller parts too. This is what my aloe vera looked like after cutting. Now I am going to be adding olive oil to the already sliced aloe vera stems. I'm just going to add a reasonable amount, like to just cover the aloe vera stems that have been sliced. After doing that, I am going to blend. This is what it's going to look like after blending. So now I'm going to be pouring the mixture into a pan and cook on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. If you look at the ends of the mixture in the pan, you'll see that oil is already becoming very visible. So after 3 to 4 minutes, you strain the oil after it has cooled down into a bowl or whatever you're using. Your aloe vera oil is ready for use, so now you can use it for your skin and also your hair. So focusing mainly on hair, I'm going to be making a video on how to use aloe vera for your hair and how it also helps extreme hair growth. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.